Today we're exploring the incredible features of the Rabbit Hutch Chicken Coop, an 87.8-inch large outdoor bunny cage designed with both convenience and safety in mind. This co-op boasts a removable PVC bottom layer, making indoor cleaning a breeze, while its deeper pull-out tray ensures no leaks, keeping your pet's environment clean and dry. With higher quality latches, you can rest easy knowing that predators are kept at bay, and its weather-resistant materials, including an asphalt roof and anti-UV protection, offer enhanced durability against the elements. The co-op features 4 access doors and 2 ramps, providing a spacious 9.5 square feet of safe activity space for your furry or feathered friends. The heavy-duty galvanized wire fencing in the outdoor run area ensures a bright and secure accommodation, allowing your chickens to enjoy the outdoors safely. Whether you're housing rabbits or chickens, this versatile co-op is designed to offer comfort, security, and ease of maintenance, making it an excellent addition to any backyard. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.